Hello and welcome to my channel. I think I'm going to be calling this channel Physics Matt. It's supposed to be a little bit cheesy, or the name of it, but I wanted to make a short intro video describing why I'm making this channel and what I think you might be able to get out of it. So my goal is to create a series of lecture videos in Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and then Calculus-based Physics 1 and 2. And I want to present the material in an accessible manner to the working adult, as I call it. So I know there's a lot of people out there that may be interested in learning for the first time or relearning some of these subjects. And maybe it's been a number of years since they've had a college course. So my goal is to present this material really from the ground up and work our way from some of the more basic topics up through the more advanced topics in Calculus 1 and 2. So I want to tailor these videos towards that working adult and just go slow and methodically and focus mostly on practicality of these topics of mathematics rather than just making all these derivations. So that's really the goal with the channel. The second aspect of it is at some point I want to teach at the university level. I don't have a whole lot of experience teaching, so I'm hoping that these videos will give me some of that experience, even though I don't have an actual live audience, but giving me some experience just talking through these topics, presenting it in an eloquent and accessible manner. So I'm really hoping that this will also give me personal growth and enrichment making these videos. So I hope you enjoyed the channel. I'm going to be trying to make all these videos in one take, so please bear with me if I stumble over my words at first or I make a couple mistakes here and there. I'll try to correct it. If I do make any mathematical mistakes, feel free to point it out in the comments. If I don't, I'm probably not going to watch these videos, so if you don't point it out, I probably won't know that I made the mistake unless I find it as I'm writing it on the board. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the channel, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to reach out or just place a comment in one of the videos.